10. Blister beetles. Release toxic cantharidin causing severe blisters, organ damage, or death if mishandled. 9. Locusts form massive swarms devouring crops, causing famine and starvation. 8. Assassin caterpillar. Venomous spines trigger fatal bleeding and organ failure. 7. Asian giant hornet. Potent venom leads to organ failure, destroys bee colonies. 6. Bullet dendron and fire ants. Excruciating stings. Fire ants swarm aggressively. 5. Fleas spread plague and typhus, killing millions historically. 4. Kissing bug. Transmits Chagas disease via feces, causing long-term heart failure. 3. Tsetse fly. Spreads sleeping sickness leading to coma and death. 2. Bees, chalked wasps, Shan hornets. Cause fatal allergic reactions or mass attacks. 1. Mosquito. Transmits malaria, dengue, etc., killing approximately 700,000 plus yearly.